Hello, my name is Nathan Haynes 2001 and I'm playing Borderlands the pre-sequel, and as you know I've been playing this for a while, uploading a few videos, and I uploaded a recent video about me getting a legendary in the vending machine. So I got the Fatale this time, Corporate Fatale, 1290 damage, 96.8 accuracy, fire rate 8.7, reload speed 2.8, magazine size 43, sorry, cryo damage per second 939.1, freeze chance 10%, stone cold killer is red text, 26% weapon accuracy, 125% weapon recoil reduction, increases stability, 25% critical hit damage, freezes enemy solid, firing increases accuracy. Oh, I can't get it. This is what it costs, and this is what I have. Get this. So yeah, Fatale also drops by Drongo Bones in the mission Rough Love. So he isn't respawnable, but if you do manage to miss him, then you can get a chance of getting him in the vending machines like I did. So rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.